Michael Burry is making headlines again. And when the man who predicted the 2008 financial crisis makes a move, Wall Street listens. The legendary investor from The Big Short is now betting over $1 billion against artificial intelligence. 187 million against Nvidia and a staggering 912 million against Palantir. So what does this mean? Let's break it down simply. When you normally invest, you buy a stock hoping it goes up. Shorting is the opposite. You're betting it will fall. Burry bought put options, which gives him the right to sell these stocks at a specific price. If they crash, he profits big. If they rise, he loses. It's high-risk investing that requires serious conviction, and Burry has clearly made his call. The timing is striking. On November 4th, filings revealed his massive positions. The next day, Palantir's stock dropped 8%, despite posting blockbuster earnings that crushed Wall Street expectations. Nvidia fell 4%, dragging the entire Nasdaq down with it. Days earlier, Burry posted cryptically on X. Sometimes we see bubbles, sometimes there's something to do about it. Sometimes the only winning move is not to play. He's not alone in his concerns. Palantir trades at 228 times forward earnings. For context, a typical tech stock trades at 20 to 30 times earnings. Investors worry the AI industry is making circular deals amongst itself, inflating valuations without creating real economic value. It's eerily reminiscent of the dot-com bubble. Palantir's CEO Alex Karp suggested it might even be market manipulation. These people claim to be ethical, but they're shorting one of the greatest businesses of the world. He has a point. Unlike many AI startups, both companies are profitable and growing fast. Palantir just signed a $10 billion contract with the US government. Nvidia reported $30 billion in revenue last quarter. So why would Burry bet against them? Here's the thing, he has been right before, when everyone thought he was crazy. In 2005, when the housing market seemed unstoppable, Burry studied the data obsessively and realized subprime mortgages were a ticking time bomb. Wall Street laughed. His investors demanded the money back. But when the market collapsed in 2008, his fund made 489% returns. He personally earned $100 million. Now he's making another contrarian bet. The question is AI a transformative technology reshaping the economy? Or are we in a speculative bubble that will burst? AI optimists point to real breakthroughs like ChatGPT and autonomous vehicles. But skeptics see warning signs everywhere. Sky-high valuations, companies adding AI to their names to boost stock prices, and a gold rush mentality driven by fear of missing out. We have been here before. The dot-com bubble, the housing bubble, the crypto bubble. Each time believers said this time is different, and each time billions evaporated overnight. While we do not know Burry's exact bet, what we do know is this. The AI sector is at a critical inflection point. If Burry is right and a correction comes, it won't just hurt portfolios. It could slow AI development and shake the entire tech sector. But if he's wrong, Burry loses hundreds of millions, and the critics will get the last laugh. Will Burry be vindicated once again, or will AI prove him wrong this time? With Debangna Datta, Bureau Report, India Today Global.